Shwmai! My name is Rachel Webley and I'm a music teacher in a secondary school in South Wales. We started the Ukulaliens, which is actually our school ukulele club, a few years ago, and then I started making play-alongs to help the students learn. These days we actually have 3 and sometimes even 4 regular groups meeting, ranging from absolute beginners going up to the main Ukulaliens club for those pupils who've been playing for a while. We even have a staff group. As well as meeting weekly, I try and give everybody as many opportunities to play the ukulele as possible. We have ukulele days in school, we perform at local events and gigs. We've even managed to do a ukulele flash mob recently. The play-along videos are organised into playlists according to difficulty, so if you're new to the channel, try and check out the Where to Start for Beginners or the Very Easy playlists. Now I know the Ukulaliens channel here helps people learn the ukulele all over the world, and it also helps teachers to teach the ukulele too. This channel isn't monetized, so please, if you'd like to support me, check out my Patreon page, because apart from supporting me to help me make more and better videos in the future, you will also get exclusive access to things that are not available here on YouTube. I also have another ukulele channel, Ukulele Wales, which I started because people were asking me to do tutorials to go along with the play-alongs here on Ukulaliens. But apart from that, there are lessons for ukulele and bass ukulele. I do ukulele reviews, I talk about maintenance and accessories for ukuleles, and I vlog about ukulele events. I also love electric ukuleles, and you'll find information there about using effects pedals, about how to set up an amp, and so much more. I also have a merch shop, a Redbubble shop. I'll leave a link in the description below, so if you fancy some really cool Ukulaliens t-shirts or Ukulele Wales mugs or loads of other things available, it's a really good way of also supporting this channel. A massive thank you to everybody who supports me here on Ukulaliens. I never imagined it would grow this big, so thank you ever so much for every view, every like, every comment and every subscription. So go grab your uke so you can play along with the play-alongs, and if you enjoy these videos, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.